Model navigation in BricsCAD Shape can be done in 3 ways. The pan command slides your viewpoint. You can click and hold your mouse wheel to pan. You can press and hold Control and Shift and the right mouse button to pan. Or you can start the pan command. The zoom command moves your viewpoint in and out. You can scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. You can press and hold Control and Shift and the left mouse button to zoom. You can rotate your viewpoint around the model. Press and hold Shift and the mouse wheel, then move the mouse to rotate your viewpoint. Or you can start the real-time rotate command. Finally, the Look From widget lets you select preset 3D views quickly.